So here are 5 exercises that you could do at home. No equipment needed. It's just 5 exercises. First one is the squat. So you just want to be able to bring your elbows over your knees. Stay looking straight ahead. You do this for 20 repetitions. You finish that, you may need to hold on to something, and then you could do 10 repetitions with lunges. You go 1, 2, you do 10. Go to the other side, you do 1, 2. If you're good, you don't need to hold on, then you just do 1 and 2 and 3. You get all the way to 10. Now you finish these exercises, you find a countertop, you want to be able to do some push-ups. So let's say this is my countertop over here. I'm going to go to number 6 on this thing. And you walk your body away from the counter, lower your chest. And again, you would do 10 repetitions. So that's your chest. Now you want to find the wall. And against the wall, you're going to sit. And you just steady yourself. You want to hold this for 60 seconds. That's exercise number 4. The last exercise, you go over to your couch or something that's off the floor. Rest your elbows. Walk back and you hold the plank for 60 seconds. So that's it. 5 exercises. Squat, lunges, push-ups, wall sit, and your planks. And that's good. All right, thank you.